That's where he met Coach Chris Kalilan and blew them away. He remembered hitting twice back-to-back triples.
They kind of slowed down. I think they kind of felt comfortable when they got the big lead, but Imos all of a sudden is trying to turn things around. That's a beautiful two-man game between Wilson and Montuano for John Wilson, but he knows that he can take it and make it.
Marquez, short jumper, that trickles in.
2 points in the first half. Etong si Balong.
Nakaagaw pa siya dito. Wilson. Parang volleyball block yun. Ano man tawag sa kanya ngayon? Ano man tawag sa kanya eh? Ang angas something.
Wow, hit off the back. Ito si Mark Montuano.
Yeah.
Yung knockout play ni Jordan.
Winning 5 titles there. And nung tumagal-tagal, malalakas na rin yung mga nakalaban nila. They had a team from Bicol. Ang Bobby Baluhanag nakuha yung rebound. Ralph Robin sliding in for 2.
Nakalimutan ko actually na one of the better NCAA players before.
Yeah.
Was Coach Tantan Banal.
Pasa na Agaw. Skips it to Janjan Baltasar. Wala. Baluhanag, look out! He takes flight and scores.
I'm always impressed by the way he jumps with that 2 legs.
Basilan still with a 13-point lead. Makoy Marcos, pumihit, lays it in on the other side.
Hindi ko alam kung natatawa siya dun sa tira eh. All laughs coming from JV.
Jordan Rios, wak naman yung tres. Hamon is free on the other side. Still no go. Marquez, the pitch ahead. Rios tumingin pa. Balukanag sending that back to the friend zone. Dapat first 5 na yun eh. Si Asco, kausap lang si Juden. Layup. Galing kay Mark Montuano.
Part of that championship team that lost against Pampanga.
Saka doon siya pinakatumagal eh, sa Bacoor. Janjan Salazar sneaks his way through. Last 2 minutes brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sportsbook of the MPBL. Bocon putting some arc into that shot.
Sorry, miss for Joe Gracia. 2-on-1 na yun. Pero may rin itong pasa ni John Wilson.
Parang second time na nangyari sa kanya yan. Yung first half, meron din siyang ganyan. Marquez, pasok yan. Galing sa tres. Marquez, another one. Short. Talio the rebound. 3-on-2 fast break. Talio gliding in. Lays it in on the right side.
We talked about this in the third quarter. The open court, the comfort zone of Mac Talio.
Salazar buries a free. And after 3 straight losses, that upset win against Jensen and following it up with this victory over Imos, they are now at 7 wins and 7 losses.